Hazrat Jabir bin Abdullah radiyallahu anhu says, my father was martyred in the battle of Uhud. He was in too much debt and left 6 daughters. When the time of debt picking approached, I visited Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and said, you know well that my father got martyred in the battle of Uhud and he was in substantial amount of debt. So I wish that the creditors may see you and remit some of the debt. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, go and collect the dates into separate heaps. So I did as directed and then sent for him. When the creditors saw him sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they became more violent in their demand. When he sallallahu alaihi wasallam witnessed this attitude, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam made 3 circuits of the largest heap and then sat over it and said, call your creditors. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam kept on giving them measurefuls of it till Allah Jalla Jalaluhu got all of my father's debt paid off. Whereas I was pleased with only it that my father's debt might be discharged, though I could not return to my sisters when even a single date. So Allah Jalla Jalaluhu kept all the heaps intact, and when I looked at the heap on which the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam was sitting, it sounded that not even a single date was reduced from it. Allah Almighty blazed the dates for the sake of the blessing of the both worlds. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4053.